The Amazon Fire HD 10 tablet is a great device that allows you to have two applications open next to each, and it comes at an affordable price point, which makes it worth its weight in gold. But don't just take my word for it. First, check out these 5 unique features of the Fire HD 10 tablet. Sounds interesting. Let's get started. Number 5. Quality screen. Firstly, the most crucial feature of this new tablet is its stunning 10.1-inch display. It has 1080p Full HD resolution and a wide viewing angle so that you can watch your favorite movies and read your ebooks in a great setup. The Amazon Fire HD 10 can stream TV shows and films from the Amazon Prime Video app and read books on the Kindle eBooks preloaded on the tablet. The display has excellent resolution and can adapt to any lighting condition so that you can always have a clear view of everything displayed on it. Additionally, the Fire HD 10 tablet has a higher resolution, which provides more keen text while reading books and comics. Your TV series will also look better. However, don't anticipate a significant change from the previous version. You can also get access to Netflix, Facebook, HBO, Spotify, and that's just the beginning. In addition to all this, Prime members also get limitless access to more than 1,000 books and magazines, a vast number of songs and TV series at no extra expense. Number 4. More storage, more battery. Furthermore, with a superior processor and double the RAM size of the previous model, the tablet is quicker now, and you will not get much lag. Amazon has additionally made it straightforward for users to install applications and download videos by multiplying the internal storage to 32 GB, and there's even a 64 GB model. There's more activity you can do with applications on the tablet due to the upgraded Fire OS, which we'll be talking about in more detail. What's more, assuming you used to feel stressed over the continuously listening Alexa depleting your battery duration quickly, sit back and relax. That issue has been tackled, presently asserting a battery duration of 10 hours compared with 8 hours before. Subscribe to this channel if you already love our content. Number 3. Alexa is always listening. Again, another amazing thing about the Amazon Fire HD 10, hands-free Alexa. Alexa is always watching your every movement, except in this case, she obeys your every command, and she's more of a buddy. You never again need to press a button to begin Amazon's voice assistant. It's continuously listening in, so issue your orders after you say, "Alexa." While watching a video, you can ask Alexa to play, stop, rewind, and fast forward. In fact, you can say to Alexa, "Alexa, I have 99 problems today, and I need solutions," and Alexa will help you with solutions. Alexa reads books resoundingly, opens applications, informs you about the climate, and has a lot of different abilities you will love to explore. Moreover, for Alexa to work effectively, it must employ the Dolby ATMOS audio technology. We are about to talk about the Dolby ATMOS sound of the Fire HD 10 tablet, so remain tuned. Number 2. Upgraded Fire OS. Have you ever cooked, simultaneously texted on the telephone, and switched back and forth between many activities at the same time? Sometimes it is incredible how we excel at multitasking and find ways to do everything even when we thought we couldn't. Can you relate to this? If you can relate to this experience, give this video a thumbs up because Amazon has found a way of making the Fire HD 10 do 2 things simultaneously. The improved Fire OS allows you to have 2 applications open next to each other. However, the applications have to be updated for everything to fall into place. An example to make this more understandable is opening Prime Video and Facebook Messenger simultaneously. There has also been a profound integration of Microsoft 356 in the Fire HD 10. Number 1. Dolby ATMOS audio technology. In conjunction with Dolby ATMOS, Amazon is making a decent attempt to make the Fire HD 10 your single media tablet at home. The Dolby ATMOS sound has been fitted into the Fire HD 10, making it an extraordinary tag to have in a tablet. The idea is essentially to watch a quick video or listen to something without going after your earphones. Many analysts claim that the Dolby ATMOS sound of the Fire HD 10 is moderately more potent and clearer. Many tablets have powerless speakers, requiring earphones to hear anything, so the Dolby ATMOS audio technology makes the Amazon Fire HD10 the right choice for anyone. The Amazon Fire HD10 tablet is a valuable tool for those who want to enjoy a wide variety of media on the go. It is an affordable option with several great features, including Alexa integration and hands-free functionality. If you're looking for a new tablet, give the Fire HD10 a try. Share this video with that friend of yours who is fascinated with Amazon tablet. See you soon in the next video.